Hey there, fellow S Corporation owners. Today, we are here to chat about something that might be lurking at the back of your mind. Yes, we are talking about retirement plans. It might seem like a distant future, but it's never too early to start planning. Before we get started, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can always receive information designed to make your S Corporation as successful and profitable as can be. So let's jump in and explore some interesting facts and figures that might just pique your interest and get those wheels turning. Now, according to a recent survey, almost 60% of small business owners do not have a retirement plan in place. Sounds quite surprising, right? It's quite common for business owners like us to reinvest everything back into the business. But having a retirement plan not only helps secure your future, but it can also offer some current tax benefits. Moving forward, as an S Corporation owner, you might know that one of the popular retirement plans at your disposal is the Simplified Employee Pension, or the SEP IRA. It's a bit like a traditional IRA but allows for higher contribution limits. This means, as of right now, you can contribute up to 25% of your compensation or $61,000, whichever is less. Not a bad deal, right? And guess what? You can also consider a solo 401k plan, especially if you're the only employee in your corporation. This plan lets you wear two hats, both as an employee and employer, allowing for a substantial contribution limit. In fact, for the year 2023, the total contribution limit was $58,000, or $64,500 if you're 50 years or older. And these contributions are tax deductible, giving you a bit of breathing space when tax season rolls around. And here's a bit of a golden nugget. If you're looking at a simple IRA plan, it's quite straightforward and allows you a bit of a lower contribution limit, which is $13,500 as of this year. But it's incredibly easy to set up and manage. Sometimes, simplicity is key, right? Now don't forget the good old traditional 401k plan. It's a tried and tested method that's popular for a reason. It's flexible and can be a great fit if you have a few employees working for you. Remember, retirement plans are not a one-size-fits-all. It's important to consider your personal financial situation, your business goals, and your retirement aspirations when choosing a plan. So take your time to weigh your options and choose what fits you best. For more information, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what options are you leaning toward implementing as part of your retirement plan? Leave your comment below and let us know what the future has in store for you. Please don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay updated with tips and tricks to grow your business to maximum profitability.